Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in to watch. Today what we're going to be doing is unboxing and installing a Sissy bar backrest on my 2002 Honda Shadow Ace 750. This is a Sissy bar, bought it straight off of eBay, and we're going to go ahead and unbox it and install it. Don't worry, I'd actually already unboxed this prior, so it did not get shipped all loosey-goosey in the box there like that. Also, don't mind me looking away from the camera every now and then. We live in a pretty active apartment complex community, so there are people walking by all the time. And I'm probably the only person that lives here that actually is out in my garage and uses it for working on bikes. Alright, so we've got two brackets that are going to be used for attaching to the fender. This here is the only bag of tools they send you, or nuts and bolts rather. Then of course the Sissy bar itself along with the pad. The pad's actually decent quality for getting shipped in from China. I was surprised. Anytime I work on my bike here, I always wear Gorilla gloves. I buy these straight at Home Depot. This is not an advertisement. I'm not backed by them by any means, but I definitely love Gorilla gloves. I wear them anytime I work on my bike. I don't feel like I lose any dexterity in my fingers or grip. I use them anytime I work on my bikes. So you guys check them out. Like I said, I buy them directly at just Home Depot. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, go ahead and throw them down in the comments below. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe if you like the video. Right here, I'm just kind of doing a walk around to show what the Sissy bar looks like on the back of the bike. At this point, I had not actually drilled the screws into the pad, so that's not attached, but that's basically what it's going to look like on the back of a Honda Shadow. So thanks again for watching. Hope you guys have a great week.